Alright guys, welcome back in this video I'm going to show you exactly how I approach meme coins in a way that most people won't use. I am not trading or trenching 24/7, hoping for a random runner. I'm actually just diving the coins myself and pocketing a shit ton of money from the creator fees and from my supply. This strategy has made me a lot of money over time and it's still under the radar. If you want a cleaner, smarter, and a repeatable way to make money, well, let's get right into it. I don't chase charts anymore. I create them. Let me show you how launching meme coins actually print on demand. If you're still trading meme coins and you don't have millions of dollars, bro, what the fuck are you doing? I stopped trading meme coins completely and I ran up this wallet all from deving meme coins. This wallet is the result. Now, a lot of people don't get wiped in meme coins because they lack experience. They get wiped in this market because they overtrade or they just trade in general. They enter into a coin, right? And after a couple seconds, guess what happens? The person who deployed the coin sells into that demand. And that's why high-level traders and prominent KOLs are walking away from trading meme coins and focusing on deving the coins instead. It's low risk and high rewarding. And actually, bro, it's enjoyable. When you trade meme coins, your money ends up with the creators. But when you launch your own coin, you become the creator and you take control of everybody's money, which means you can do whatever the fuck you want. Now, the process of deploying a coin is simple. You put the token live, you let buyers and traders come in naturally inside your coin, and when the timing feels right, you take profits on your own term whenever you want, and then you launch another coin after, and then you just repeat that process over and over again. Now, deving meme coins in 2026 has become the new meta because creating a meme coin on the blockchain costs nearly nothing, okay? Basically $0, so we have nothing to lose. And that's exactly how I built my entire portfolio from around $10 to over millions of dollars, okay? All from deving meme coins. So keep watching because I will be on gatekeeping the method. And yeah, bro, this video is for educational purposes only. It's all made with AI. Cap! Now, when people start deving, right, and they want to launch their first ever meme coin for the first time, well, the platform they usually log onto is Pump.Fun to launch their meme coin. It's the most recognizable option, so it feels like the default move. But that is where things actually break down, and that is where you waste all your time. Pump.Fun is overloaded, new tokens are pushed live constantly, and most of them, okay, almost disappear immediately. That's because it's oversaturated. If you are still launching meme coins on Pump.Fun, you are not really building anything, you are just relying on chance and for your coin to blow up randomly. And there's another issue. Pump.Fun controls the liquidity pool and takes a percentage of the creator fees. So right from the start, you don't fully own your own launch. As a dev, the real objective, okay, is putting your token in front of the random decks and for your coin to migrate, where real buyers and real volume are already existing. But on Pump.Fun, bro, let's be honest, getting there takes too long and depends almost entirely on luck because your coin needs to reach $55,000 for it to migrate. And that's exactly why I moved over to create Meme.io, because this launchpad is completely different and is way better than Pump.Fun because all your meme coins will be launched directly to Radium, which means all your meme coins will be viewed to tens and thousands of traders on the spot, live, and people will be able to buy in your meme coin. Now that means your meme coin will get a shit ton of visibility, a shit ton of volume, and way more results, all because you're launching onto Radium instantly. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on Create Meme. The first way is to make a meme coin from scratch, which means you need a narrative for that meme coin. I like to go on X, for example. I like to go on any social media platform to look for a narrative. Some people like to go on Reddit or other places, right? Now, look for a viral tweet, look for a viral news, anything, right? Look for something viral and then turn it into a meme coin by coming back to create Meme.io, invent a name, add a symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is live and up and running on the blockchain. But the second method is my favorite one, and it's the most profitable by far, and that's by copying trending coins all day. Now, I personally copy coins myself because all these coins have a good narrative and they're all getting a shit ton of buyers and volume on Pump.Fun, which means if you copy a coin here, well, your copy is going to get a shit ton of volume, and since it has a good narrative, it will get a lot of fucking transactions. But anyways, now it's time to actually launch a meme coin using the copy feature and try to make some profits. So first I want to make sure your Phantom Wallet is connected, then click on the refresh list button and then look for a coin to copy, bro. Honestly, just copy one and try it out. I'm gonna copy the Monk coin. It has it as buy 2 seconds ago, which is not too shabby. Click on Crit Coin, wait for your Phantom Wallet to pop up, and ignore the block from Phantom. Click on proceed, confirm or understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied shortly. Boom. If I go in SoScan, you guys can see that it is, on the blockchain. It's minted, everything works. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this page is really fucking simple. We're adding liquidity here. This step is what allows your token to be traded on Radium immediately. Now, for token A, here is where we set the liquidity pool. Click on 90%, that will drop 900 million tokens. Right under for token B, this is your first buy into your own coin. You're not losing any Solana here. It's just locked in temporarily for the first buy. Now, the minimum is 0.3 SOL, and once the liquidity is removed, that SOL comes straight back to you, so we have nothing to lose. I'ma put 0.3 SOL, and you will get this back later. Click on Crit Pool, wait for your Phantom Wallet to pop up, and then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Monk coin is on live and your profits will show up right here. Now if you click on the refresh button to check your profits, as you guys can see, we are up $150 in USD because people are actually buying our coin and they are liking the narrative. Anyways, click on view on Photon or Axum or Noah to see your token. Let me go on full screen for a better view of our coin. Then it should load in, the buys should start rolling in. And as you guys can see, bro, the Monk coin is now live. We are getting a lot of fucking buyers, okay? We should be around, oh my god, $110 worth of buys, $52 right here. It's actually fucking insane. Bro, we're getting a lot of fucking transactions, and this is exactly why I highly recommend everyone to start deving, all because of these results, okay? Deving meme coins is low risk and high upside, but trading though is really, it's all risk, right? It's all risk. Oh my god, we're getting so many buyers, bro. We are at the 3k market cap, 1.5k liquidity. Things are looking absolutely insane. I'ma give this coin some time for it to pump, and I will be right back when it's fucking high and when it's time to dump it. Alright guys, I am back and we are at the $4,700 market cap and we are pushing $2,000 in liquidity. We have a lot of transactions and volume. Things are looking good. Now it's time to make some money on our fucking meme coin. So come back to create meme.io real quick, and obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to officially check your profits. And now as you guys can see, we are up $1,82000. Click on the minus button, do 100%, then remove liquidity, then just wait. And as you guys can see, guys, I will be receiving 12.4 SOL. Click on confirm, and bang, that's exactly how you do it from start to finish. Now if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see that I received $1,800 all in my Phantom wallet. Everything is there, okay? It's actually insane. Create meme.io will be linked in the comments down below or in the description, and join my Discord and Telegram. Peace out. And if you want to win 3 Solana like this guy right here, just like, comment, subscribe, and then join my Discord and Telegram for more info. Good luck.